Live stream your PC games on Twitch. First of all, launch the game on your computer, which game you want to live stream on Twitch. Now you have to open the OBS Studio. After launching the OBS Studio, you get this interface. Here, click on this plus icon to create a new source and select here window capture. Click on OK and click on this window drop down and select your game, which game you want to stream. And to capture cursor for the game, you have to check this option. Click on OK. Once the game successfully added, you can resize the game. You can also position the game. Now, if you want to also stream your game with your audio, then again click on this plus icon to create another source. You can add here audio input capture or audio output capture. Just go ahead and add your sources just like this. Now click on settings, select stream, click on service drop down, select Twitch, and here select use stream key. Now go to your Twitch and log into your account. Now click on your profile photo and here just click on creator dashboard. In here click on settings and select stream, and here you will find your Twitch stream key. Just copy the stream key, go back to your OBS, and here in the server field you have to select auto, and here is the stream key. Just replace the stream key here and click on apply and click on OK, and after that just click on start streaming, and it may take some moments to connect your OBS with your Twitch. Once successfully connected, go back to your Twitch and now click on stream manager, and here we can see my live preview is now showing. I've successfully connected my OBS with my Twitch, and here now I can easily stream my computer game on Twitch using OBS, and here we can see the game preview. So that's how we can do it.